The Nigeria Midstream and Downstream Petroleum Regulatory Authority, or NMDPRA, has licensed the country's first gas trading, clearing and settlement exchange, promoted by JEX Markets Limited. Now, the new exchange, the first of such on the African continent, is looking to start trading in gas contracts as it looks to unlock capital, reduce risk, lower financing costs, and attract further investments into the Nigerian gas industry.
As the regulator of Nigerian midstream and downstream petroleum regulatory petroleum subsector, the authority recognizes the true test of licensing JEX markets is not only in the ceremony today, but in the transformation that must deliver. The transformation that it must deliver. To ensure that JEX succeeds as Nigeria's pioneering gas trading, clearing, and settlement platform, we will provide a firm, transparent, and technology-enabled regulatory framework under the PIA, giving the investors the certainty and confidence required to commit long-term capital to the gas value chain. We will continue to work closely with our sister regulators, including the Securities and Exchange Commission and key financial market institutions, to harmonize market rules, standardize transaction contracts, and ensure that clearing and settlements arrangements meet the highest global standards. We will actively deploy our licensing and regulatory instruments to drive participation in gas trading by producers, transporters, aggregators, and large-scale buyers, ensuring that liquidity is built and that transparent price discovery becomes the foundation of Nigerian domestic gas market. Above all, we will position JEX Market Limited as a strategic national platform within our Decade of Gas agenda to enable regional integration and cross-border trade, and firmly establish Nigeria not only as a leading gas producer, but as African reference market for gas trading and pricing. While celebrating the introduction of this new license regime, we call on industry operators, off-takers, industrialists, and financiers to rise to this opportunity with discipline and collaboration by committing volumes to the gas trading exchange, adopting standard contracts, adopting standardized contracts, and upholding market rules that sustain confidence and integrity. JEX Markets Limited will only achieve the objectives of this license through shared ownership by the entire industry, working in partnership with regulators to deliver transparency, investment, and lasting economic value for the Nigerian people. Congratulations, JEX Market Limited, for fulfilling all requirements. That led to issuance of the Pioneer Gas Trading License in Nigeria under the PIA. I advise you to ensure that you are adequately guided by the applicable terms and conditions of the license being presented to you, and challenge you to leverage on your global expertise and partnership to bring on board the innovation and credibility needed to administer this platform as a world-class exchange.
This is more than a license. It is a statement of national intent. Nigeria is declaring that it is ready to move from potential to performance, from being gas-rich to being gas-powered, from informal trade to organized markets, from opacity to transparency, and from uncertainty to confidence. JEX Markets is being established as Nigeria's energy commodities exchange, beginning with gas trading as our foundation. We will launch with spot and forward markets, and as liquidity deepens, advance to futures contracts. We are not participants in the market. We are organizing the market itself. Our role is to provide neutral infrastructure where prices are discovered transparently, contracts are standardized, counterparty risk is managed, and settlement is guaranteed. History teaches us that prosperity is not built on resources alone, but on the quality of institutions that organize them. Today, Nigeria is building such an institution for its gas economy. The implications of today's event are transformational. A transparent, credible gas market will unlock trillions of naira in investment, strengthen energy security, and support the expansion of manufacturing, petrochemicals, fertilizers, and power generation. A trusted exchange will also unlock capital. Global investors go where prices are transparent and settlement is reliable. By reducing risk and improving price integrity, JEX will lower financing costs and attract long-term capital into Nigeria's gas value chain. In simple terms, this market means factories will run, power stations will light cities, jobs will grow, foreign exchange will be preserved, and Nigeria's economy will become more resilient. This license is therefore an infrastructure of national importance. We understand the responsibility entrusted to us. Being Nigeria's pioneer energy commodities exchange demands world-class governance. That was why I asked our board to join us on stage. It's not a one-man show.